Hi guys, so welcome back to another video on weekly stocks, trading tips and investment ideas. So let's take a look at the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is almost on a support line of the trend line. So here in this trend line we can see it's about to reach a support line. So there can be a chance for the Bank Nifty to take support on this, and if it breaks it can take support on this as well, on this pink line that you can see. Let's take a look at the daily chart. So the Bank Nifty looks kind of in a bearish mode for this whole week, but once the Bank Nifty can reach this point and make some good bullish candles over here at this point, so we can expect some bullish movements over here. From here to here we can expect a bullish movements. So with this in mind, we have a stock Bandhan Bank, which is on a good support zone and can be a good weekly stock for trading. So let's take a look at the chart and then analyze it. So we can see it has given a good breakout, a positive trend line breakout, and here we can see a clear channel forming. So trend line breakouts are good trading strategies and can give good risk to reward ratios. So we have the 50 EMA line over here giving a good support to the stock as well. So if you take a look at the long position, you can go long as soon as the market opens on Monday, and keeping your stop loss at 313, you can at least expect a minimum of 1:2. So 1:2 will always a recommended risk reward ratio if you're going for breakout strategies. And also we have the next resistance over here, so it is also a good target because we don't want to get the full movement, but we have to get minimum 1:2, so risking 1% to gain 2% of the capital. So Bandhan Bank is a good idea for going long on this week, and one reason being the trend line breakout, and we have the 50 EMA supporting the stock movement, and as well we have Bank Nifty right near the support zone. So with a good bullish candles over here and rejection positive pin bars or engulfing bullish engulfing candles, if we get, we can definitely go long on Bandhan Bank. So to keep this stock in your watch list. And next, let's take a look at the Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 is, as of now, has taken a small support over here, but still considering the trend lines, I guess it is pretty much a bearish and sideways movement, and unless the stock price gives some another bullish movements to the upper side. But right now it has come to a support and it tried to move up, but pretty much the weekly chart says it is in an indecision mode because this candle is a doji candle. So doji candle means there is no precise decision if the market is going up or below. So you have to look for the upcoming price actions, and with this upper trend line and lower trend line, we can see that the market has given a good bearish movement. So this point, this 16,700 can be a good support zone. So keep a watch on Nifty 50 as well. And next stock for the trading idea is CASTROL India. So this one is right now in a very good support. So 108, we have seen that we have good movements from here to here. So this is given a great movement. So there is a higher probability that the market can also go from here to here. And also you can see we have good bullish candles forming over here, and it's taking good support as well. So if you take a look at the weekly candle as well, we have good bullish candles. So a good rejection candle, then we have a good bullish engulfing candles as well, and we have a harami candle, and the next latest candle has broken the upper high of this bullish candle as well. So it's a good sign that the market is the Castrol stock is right now looking for a bullish movement to the upper side. So investing at around 105, 6, 8 is a good idea. So if you want to go long, we can go long over here. Go long somewhere. Oh, we are keeping a stop loss right at 5 rupees below at 103, and your entry price right now is 108. So you can always look for 2.5. It would be good for this, because that it can still, you can still hold on to the stock as long as can go above these levels of 120 till 130, and you can trail your stop loss. So if you have a 1:1 move to your stock, then you can, and as soon as it reaches 1:2, you can move your stop loss to 1:1. So that is, if it reaches 10 rupees per share profit, if you get, you can move your stop loss to 5 rupees plus from your entry level. So Castrol India is right now having a good support zone, and with some good bullish candles, as you can see over here, and even weekly candles, you can see good bullish candles, and as well good volume over the stock. So keeping Castrol India for this week and Bandhan Bank for the week could be a good trading strategy for this week, and let's see how it goes. So have a good trading session.